Watch this dog very carefully. I've been watching him for a long time now. Both of these, very, very carefully. But you see the small little one. He wants a big thumb up his butt. So let's go ahead and shove it right on up. Let's do this now. God, it's so gooey. Oh my God. Let's see what his body temperature is. It's about 98 degrees. Now, if you take a quick look at this one looking at me right here, he wants a big fist up his butt. Let's do this now. Oh my God! Wow, this is bad. This is not good. Let's check his. That's some good stuff. That's it for today. But see me next time. Wow, this is good.